How to play Blacktop with Created Player 2K24. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to play Blacktop with Created Player in NBA 2K24. To play Blacktop mode with a Created Player, My Player in NBA 2K24, follow these steps depending on your platform and game version. Step by step. Add a Created Player to Blacktop mode. 1. Create your player. If you haven't created your player yet, go to Features, Create a Player. Save the player after customization. 2. Add a created player to a roster. This step is essential. Go to Features, Roster, choose NBA roster, then select Edit Roster. Choose an existing team or a custom team. Then, replace or add your created player to team by pressing the button for assigning player, selecting your created player, and assigning them to the team of your choice. Step 3. Start a Blacktop mode. Go to Play Now and Blacktop. Choose 1v1, 2v2, 3v3. Then select Pick Your Roster and choose the custom roster you edited. When choosing players, you can now scroll to the team where your created player is and select them. Optional. Use community roster with created players. Some users upload the rosters filled with created players or legends. Go to Features, Create Roster, User Created Rosters. Search for community-made rosters. Download one with your desired players, or upload your own. Use the Blacktop the same way as above. And that's it. Now you know how to play Blacktop with created player in NBA 2K24. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Thanks.